Hey everyone, it's Joe with nCLOSE. What I have here is the new WISECUBE Slim and a Elite 10.2, the Elite Mini 4.5, and the Mini UM2. You can attach this to any of our cases that have the 100mm configuration. So to start the install, you can see the front of the Slim, it has this chip opening. So you take the WISECUBE, NFC up, put it inside with the chip here. Then you can mount it to any of the 100mm holes here. So you can have it in any config that you want, like this, here, just kind of rotate it around and you can see what fitment you want. I don't recommend hanging it off the side like this because you could damage the unit. So it would be hanging off like this and it could possibly damage the underside here. So to install this, all you would need is to grab 2 of the 3 screws, locate which holes you want to put them in, and take a Phillips screwdriver and screw them in. This comes with a 6-foot USB-C cable, and you can see on the back of the Slim you have the power button and the USB-C port. So you just plug this in and you're ready to charge it.